investors, welcome to Altainment. Today we bring you the latest actions and updates about the Indian startup ecosystem. The public offering of merchant platform company Pine Labs may be sooner than expected. The company has passed a resolution to convert its Singapore-based holding entity from private to public, regulatory filings show. With this, the company has been renamed from Pine Labs Private to Pine Labs Limited, indicating that the company's IPO preparation has started to gather momentum. According to Intracker sources, the company is likely to list in the US in the next 10 to 12 months. While the company hasn't said anything about the size of the issue and valuation, a TOI report estimates that Pine Labs would eye a $5 billion valuation in the potential IPO. Its conversion from a private company to a public one has come weeks after the closure of its $600 million funding round at a $3.5 billion valuation. Pine Labs raised $285 million in May and an additional $351 million in July. Sources further said the round was the last private financing for the company. Queries sent to Pine Labs didn't elicit any immediate response. We will update the story in case they respond. Pine Labs would become the fourth fintech company after Paytm, Policybazaar and MobiKwik to get closer to a public listing. The Vijay Shekhar Sharma-led firm is eyeing one of the biggest IPOs at a valuation of $25 to $30 billion. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC's Rs 2,768 crore IPO will open for subscription tomorrow amid a falling grey market premium. The joint venture between Aditya Birla Capital Limited and Sun Life AMC is offering 3.88 crore equity shares, constituting 13.50% of the post-offered paid-up equity share capital of the company, in a fixed price band of Rs 695 to 712 per share. The initial public offering of Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC will remain open for subscription till Friday this week. Incorporated in 1994, the JV between Aditya Birla Capital and Sun Life AMC is ranked as the largest non-bank affiliated AMC in the country. Ahead of the IPO, shares of Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC are trading at a premium of Rs 30 to 40 per share in the unlisted space. This has come down from a premium of Rs 50 per share at the end of last week. Manan Doshi, co-founder of Unlisted Arena, a firm dealing in unlisted and pre-IPO shares, told Financial Express Online that the issue is not exactly bad and the company's performance is in line. However, the pricing of the issue could be called fully priced in. He added that the possibility of extraordinary listing gains from the IPO could be scarce, while adding that long-term investors could still go for the IPO of Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC. The SEBI on Tuesday eased the delisting framework, a move seen as boosting merger and acquisition activity in the country. It also cleared the framework to roll out social stock exchanges and gold spot exchanges. The SEBI board also tightened the norms on related party transactions to prevent their abuse. Besides, rules on the issuance of shares with superior voting rights were relaxed to allow the founders of unlisted technology companies more leeway to retain the control of their funds by raising capital. Acceding to the long-pending industry demand, the market regulator allowed an acquirer to launch both the open offer and delisting bids simultaneously. Experts said the change in delisting rules removed the lacuna in the existing framework. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe to keep watching important news on unlisted shares, pre-IPO shares and ESOPs. Find buyers and sellers for unlisted shares for free on altainment.com. Trade secure and safely.